Hello students, in class 12th electrochemistry we will discuss different type of batteries. Actually any battery it may have one or more than one cell connected in series. Our cell that have used a source of electrical energy is basically a galvanic cell where the chemical energy of the redox reaction is converted into electrical energy. We repeated again कि what is battery? Battery क्या है? Any battery, it may have one or more than one cell connected in series, or cell that have we use as a source of electrical energy is basically a galvanic cell where the chemical energy of the redox reaction is converted into electrical energy. There are two type of batteries, primary and secondary. Primary batteries जो होती हैं, what are the primary batteries? Primary batteries are those batteries which are not chargeable and they are consumed after use. We will discuss in primary batteries the reaction occurs only once and after use over a period of time battery becomes dead and cannot be used again. The most familiar example of this type is the dry cell, is also known as Leclanche cell. After the discover which is used in case of Leclanche cell, in case of dry cell commonly it consists of a zinc container that also acts as anode and the cathode is a carbon or graphite rod surrounded by powdered MnO2 and carbon. The space between the electrodes is filled by a moist paste of ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. The electrical reactions are. We will discuss what are the primary battery. Actually primary batteries क्या हैं? इन प्राइमरी बैटरीज वो बैटरीज होती हैं जो यूज होने के बाद उनको दोबारा रिचार्ज नहीं किया जा सकता. इसका सबसे एग्जाम्पल बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ड्राई बैटरी या ड्राई सेल. और ड्राई सेल है क्या? एक्चुअल ड्राई सेल इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए जिंक कंटेनर. आउटर इसका कोटिंग जो होती है वो जिंक कंटेनर की होती है विच एक्ट्स एज ए एनोड एंड द कैथोड इज ए कार्बन और ग्रेफाइट रॉड सराउंडेड बाई powdered manganese dioxide and carbon. The space between the electrode is filled by the moist paste of ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. The electrode reactions are. What are the reactions? At anode, zinc is converted into zinc ion and at cathode, MnO2 plus NH4 positive plus electron, it is converted into MnO2 plus NH4 positive plus electron, it is converted into MnO into OH का whole MnOOH plus ammonia, basic magnesium oxide. In the reaction at cathode, magnesium is reduced from the 4 oxidation state to plus 3. Ammonia produced in the reaction form a complex with zinc ion to give zinc tetraamine zinc ion. The cell has a potential of nearly 1.5 volt. तो इन ड्राई सेल लिसन अगेन सेल में क्या है, इसका आउटर जो एरिया होता है वो जिंक का होता है विच एक्ट्स एज ए एनोड एंड कैथोड जो होता है कार्बन या ग्रेफाइट की रॉड है सराउंडेड बाय पाउडर्ड MnO2. इसके अंदर मैग्नीज डाइऑक्साइड और कार्बन और अमोनियम क्लोराइड का पेस्ट भरा होता है. इलेक्ट्रोलाइट के रूप में इट कंटेंस जिंक क्लोराइड. द रिएक्शन एनोड पर ऑक्सीडेशन होता है. जिंक आयन इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू एनोड पर जिंक इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू जिंक आयन एंड कैथोड पर MnO2 इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू बेसिक मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड या बेसिक मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड प्लस अमोनिया. और रिएक्शन के लास्ट में मैग्नीज reduce होता है +4 oxidation to +3 and ammonia produced in the reaction form a complex with zinc tetraamine zinc ion. The cell has a potential of nearly 1.5 volt. The next example is the mercury cell. Mercury cell is suitable for the low current devices like hearing aids, watches, which consist of zinc mercury amalgam as anode and a paste of HgO, yani that is mercuric oxide and carbon as the cathode. Listen again. Mercury cell, what is the use of mercury cell? It is suitable for low current devices like hearing aids, watches, etc. Therefore, it is also called button cell. It consists of zinc mercury amalgam as a anode and a paste of mercuric oxide and carbon as the cathode. The electrolyte is a paste of KOH and zinc oxide. The reactions are zinc plus 2 OH ion, ZnO plus H2O plus 2 electron and HgO plus H2O. Then it is converted Hg plus 2 OH ion. The overall reaction is represented by Zn plus HgO, ZnO plus Hg. यानी इसमें जो वाटर जो होता है वो प्रोड्यूस नहीं होता है. The cell potential is approximately 1.35 volt and remain constant. This is very important point. It remains constant during its life. As the overall reaction does not involve any ion in solution whose concentration can change during its lifetime. This question is very important for the board point of view. The cell potential of the button cell remains constant during its life. So what is the reason? The reason is the reaction Zn plus HgO, it forms ZnO plus Hg. The cell potential is approximately 1.35 and remains constant its life as the overall reaction does not involve any ion in solution whose concentration change during its lifetime. Now, next is the secondary batteries. What are the secondary batteries? Secondary batteries are those batteries which can be recharged after use. यानी वो बैटरी जिनको हम यूज़ करने के बाद दोबारा रिचार्ज कर लें उनको हम सेकेंडरी बैटरीज कहते हैं. And most popular example of the secondary batteries is a lead storage battery. जो घरों में इन्वर्टर्स वगैरह में जो यूज होती हैं बैटरियाँ या कार वगैरह में वो लेड स्टोरेज बैटरीज होती हैं. दे कैन बी रिचार्जेबल. नाउ इन केस ऑफ सेकेंडरी सेल या सेकेंडरी बैटरीज द lead, it consists of a lead anode and a grid of lead packed with PbO2 as cathode. Listen again. It consists of a lead anode and a grid of lead packed with PbO2 as cathode. A 38% solution of sulfuric acid is used as an electrolyte. The cell reaction at anode Pb plus SO4 ion, it forms PbSO4 plus 2 electron, and cathode PbO plus SO4 plus 4H positive plus 2 electron, it forms PbSO4 plus 2H2O. That is overall cell reaction क्या है इसमें Pb plus PbO2 plus 2H2SO4, it forms 2PbSO4 plus 2H2O. On charging the battery, the reaction is reverse and lead sulfate on anode and cathode is converted again into lead and PbO2 respectively. So therefore, it can be used, it can be recharged after use. So very popular example for the secondary batteries is the lead storage battery, which can be used and recharged again. Another important secondary cell is the nickel cadmium cell, which has longer life than the lead storage cell but more expensive. Very important thing, it is more expensive to manufacture. The overall cell reaction is during discharge is cadmium plus NiOH whole thrice. It forms CdO plus 2NiOH whole twice plus H2O. Thank you.